Nubia is unveiling its new Focus 2 Ultra. Nubia also brings a lot of AI features like AI Super Night, real-time translation during calls, AI Magic Editor and more. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The display of the phone is AMOLED with a large 6.8 inches screen size, 1080 pixel resolution with a 120 Hz refresh rate. It features a Unisoc Tiger T760 chipset, which is a 6 nanometer, and with a octa-core CPU. It also has a rotating bezel around the camera bump. Speaking of the cameras, the phone is primarily 50 megapixel sensor camera. Nubia will also sell a dedicated camera grip for the smartphone, much like Xiaomi 15 Ultra. The phone also has a dedicated shutter button and a shortcut slider that can be customized to open the camera, sound modes, recorder or flashlight. The front camera is a 32 megapixel unit. The smartphone comes up to 512 GB storage and 20 GB dynamic expandable RAM. There is a 5000 mAh battery. The phone charges at 33 watt. Phone thickness is 7.49 mm. Smartphone will run on Android operating system. That's all for now and thanks for watching.